Hey guys, I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you how I record the sound on my YouTube videos. Now, I don't use any type of studio microphones or any really expensive sound equipment. So I happened to stumble across this a little while back. It's called Adobe Podcast, and this is a beta version of their remove noise from voice recordings. It enhances your voice recordings and enhances it by removing echoes. It removes mouse clicks. It removes background noise. And it really, really works very, very, very well. So if you've listened to any of my other YouTube videos from maybe the last 3 or 4 months, then this is what I'm using to enhance that. So all you have to do is you just need to take your audio file and just drag it and drop into this box. You can upload audio files only. It doesn't take MP4s. You can do it up to 1 hour max duration or a 500 megabyte max file size and 3 hours total daily limit on this. And for now, it's free. Since it's in beta, it's free. I don't know how long the free version is going to last, so take advantage of it while you can, and you're going to see how amazing this is. So I'm going to pull up another tab here, and I've already recorded another video or another audio. This audio I recorded while I was sitting in my living room on my MacBook Air microphone. So the TV was on in the background. There was some background noise. And I'm going to play this back for you without the enhancement so you can see how much background noise is in. So let me play that for you now. Well, Adobe Podcast works to enhance your audio. Now notice I have TV in the background, and we'll see if it takes the TV and everything out. Okay, so you notice a little bit of background noise in there and a little bit of an echo. So now I'm going to turn on Enhanced Speech, and now it says Enhanced, and let me play it back for you. And I'm going to toggle this as I'm going so you can see the difference. This is a test file to see how well Adobe Podcast works to enhance your audio. Now notice I have TV in the background, and we'll see if it takes the TV and everything out. Okay, so it worked very, very well on that. I haven't really tested it in front of the TV, so I'm very, very surprised of how well that took it out. So it takes out all echoes and mouse clicks and everything. So all you have to do is just hit the download button here, your download, and put it wherever you put your downloads at. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. The link for this is going to be down below in the description. Like I said, for now it's free. I'm not sure how long this is going to last. Take advantage of it while you can. This is an awesome, awesome app to use. It's called Adobe Podcast Beta, and it's a remove noise from voice recordings with speech enhancement. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.